How do I calculate percentiles with Python and numpy? Is there a convenient way to calculate percentiles for a sequence or single-dimensional numpy array? I am looking for something similar to Excel's percentile function. I looked in numpy's statistics reference, and couldn't find this. All I could find is the median, 50th percentile, but not something more specific.
Numpy has np.percentile. SciPy has scipy.stats.scoreAt_percentile, in addition to many other statistical goodies.
By the way, there is a PyPython implementation of percentile function, in case one doesn't want to depend on SciPy. The function is copied below.
Here's how to do it without NumPy using only Python to calculate the percentile.
If you want to support the channel, please enter lagging as a